Hey guys, Aaron here with OMCOFFROAD. I just watched a video from Brent and the guys over at PFI Speed. Gut-wrenching, heartfelt, and what has happened to them is unjust. We all need to do something about this. I don't do what Brent does. I'm in the off-road industry. I do suspension and other stuff, and then you guys see all my personal builds, but I do buy tuners to tune vehicles that I am building of my own personal stuff. However, what the EPA did to Brent and his shop out of Colorado, that's unjust and uncalled for something he doesn't make, something he doesn't install, and he only sells, and he sells online. They got hit with an $18,000 fine. Those guys aren't made of money. That's a lot of money for anybody. I wouldn't be able to pay for that if I got hit with that kind of fine. So you guys need to follow the link in the description below. Go to PFI Speed, check out Brent's last video. You'll find a link for his PayPal to help him out. I'll also have a link below to sign the RPMACT. We need to save our industry because this could affect all of us. It's bad enough for me in the off-road side of things. We're losing lands to do what we do, but at the same time, I like to go to drag strips. I like to go to car meets and everything else. I love to build what I build. That's why I have my channel. But this affects us all in this industry, aftermarket automotive industry. So help Brent and the boys out at PFI Speed. He is a solid cat. This man works his butt off. He does everything he can. He's the kindest, most generous guy you'll meet. I've never personally met him, but I can tell from his videos and just how he handles and carries himself. But we all need to be heard. Our voices need to be heard on this, and we cannot let the federal government and the EPA dictate to us what we do with our cars and how we do it. Let alone find small shops like Brent and other ones that they could come for if we don't do anything about it. So sign that RPMACT, become aware of it, follow it, track it. We need to do something about this. But Brent also needs help. So go to his site, go to his page, go to his channel. There's a link for his PayPal and everything else. I'll link his YouTube channel in the description below. I'll also put a link for the RPMACT. Sign it, guys. Follow it. Do something about it because this affects all of us. Okay? Take care, guys. Brent, praying for you, man. We'll do everything we can for you. I'm going to do everything I can to support you and do what I can for you. But this, yeah, I'm really sorry, bud. That's just, your video touched me. Take care, guys.